Not only is the 1-inch button the cutest of all of the buttons, it's also the most versatile, thanks to its handy-dandy back called a collet. This special back allows you to create a number of items, including pinback buttons, refrigerator magnets, and even jewelry. That's right, what a creative way to express yourself by matching your mood to create custom earrings, necklace pendants, and even ponytail holders. Need a keyring? Just snap in a versatile VersaBack to create zipper pulls and 6 different kinds of keyrings. But before you can snap in your desired accessory, you need to make the button first. You'll start by placing the front shell sharp side down into the shallow die of the button maker. Then add the image or graphic that you want to use, along with the clear plastic mylar on top of the shell. Then rotate the die so your components are underneath the upper die. Now here's where the magic happens. Pull the handle down and watch everything disappear. Looking good! Next, place the collet sharp side up into the deeper die of the button maker. Then rotate the die so everything is underneath the upper die. Pull the handle once again. Kapow! The button maker crimps everything together. Holy smokes! We've got our sweet button and the collet is in place, so let's pick out an accessory. Spring pin if making a pinback button, a magnet if you want to make a refrigerator magnet or magneta snap pendant, or a VersaBack if you want to make a zipper pull or a keyring. Perfect. See? The collet is so multi-talented that it makes a Swiss Army knife look like chopped liver.